This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google Workspace admin account and a verified domain because voice links to users and billing. Next, subscribe to the business plan that matches call and security needs. Make sure billing details are entered. Once done, decide whether to buy new numbers or port existing ones. Porting requires account credentials from your current carrier, so gather them now. This prevents delays later and lets you move immediately into provisioning users and numbers. Now assign numbers and configure users. Create voice licenses for each person who needs calling, and then assign either individual or shared department numbers. If porting, submit the carrier account, PIN, and preferred port date. Coordinate with users so no service interruption occurs. Make sure to configure call routing, voicemail greetings, and any desk phone SIP or Google-supported hardware. Once done, set forwarding rules and ring groups so calls reach the right person or team. Finish by testing everything. Place inbound and outbound calls, send SMS, and check voicemail for each number so you confirm functionality. Also verify emergency address and E911 settings per user because compliance depends on accurate location data. If something fails, don't panic. First, check that licenses are assigned correctly and DNS and domain verification remain valid. Then review port status and contact the carrier if a number is stuck. Make sure to retry after changes and escalate to Google Workspace support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.